Nigeria's Air Force has received 2 new military-grade helicopters during celebrations to mark the country's 55th independence anniversary in the capital, Abuja. The Agusta helicopters are part of air power upgrades which Nigeria has put in place to combat widespread security threats. CGTN's Kelechi Emekalam has more.
A show of force by one of the most important arms of Nigeria's military, the Air Force. Founded in 1964, the Air Force has become one of Nigeria's most effective armies in combating wide-ranging security threats, including terrorism in the Northeast. What is seen here has been built from a few trainers and transport aircrafts at inception. The Nigerian Air Force is now one of the most prolific in Africa, comprising diverse aircrafts capable of executing more complex operations.
The growth of Nigerian Air Force since the inception of the service has been particularly outstanding. From having only a few trainers and transport aircraft in the early years of the service, the Nigerian Air Force currently has an impressive overt comprising diverse aircraft with capabilities to perform a wide spectrum of missions.
The Air Force has been at the forefront of President Buhari's war against ISIL affiliates Boko Haram. In the past 4 years, he has spent billions of dollars weaponizing the force with modern aircrafts and conducted several specialized trainings from foreign armies like the US and Britain. At the climax of the 55-year anniversary, 2 more aircrafts were added to its growing fleet. The Army is also expecting to take deliveries of 12 Super Tucano warplanes from the US in 2020.
In these last 4 years, the Air Force has acquired and reactivated several aircrafts, which are now helping to make a difference in the various theaters of engagement across the country. In addition, the procurement process for military hardware has been reviewed to remove inefficiency. In 2018, through a transparent, first-of-its-kind government-to-government deal with the United States of America, we concluded the procurement process for the delivery in 2020 of a dozen Super Tucano aircraft, which will no doubt be game-changing for Nigeria's air capabilities.
55 years on, and Nigeria's Air Force is still evolving, but it's building its capacity to respond effectively to wide-ranging security challenges, ranging from counter-terrorism in the Northeast to escalating wave of attacks by armed gangs in the Northwest. Kelechi, Emekalam, CGTN, Abuja, Nigeria.